Hello everyone, this is Subhita Anbarasu, former senior student coordinator of KSRCT Readers Club and currently alumni of KSRCT. It's actually an immense pleasure for me for giving this kind of talk with you, or kind of sharing my experience with KSRCT and especially with Readers Club. So initially when I was in my first year, I got to this club it was like a wonderful accident in my life actually. So because once I entered into the college, I just came to hear about there is something called book talk, where we are allowed to express, or where we are allowed to review a book that we are interested in. So through that I initially entered into the club, and right from my first talk, after that everything was that was happening inside this particular club was like the most beautiful and the most precious and very which made me to learn so much, such a nice experience. So I thank Venkatachalam sir and Umayarisi ma'am, who were the two very best faculties I know, who introduced me such a wonderful platform, introduced me to the platform and introduced the platform to me. So such a great podium it was. So initially we started with book talks, and during that time we had book reviews, book expert talks, where some of the particular guests were called, and they were giving us some insights about reading books and what kind of change it could bring, and also apart from that some technical stuffs and enriching ourselves. So that kind of talks were given regularly. So once we entered inside, and I would also given special mention to one of my friend, Mr. Bharat Venkatesan, who stood me to all through this process. So together we were doing a little bit we could do, I could say. So we started interacting far better in the WhatsApp forum initially, and I would proudly and very happily say that KSRCT is one of the platform where we are given an wonderful podium, or wonderful student support to management, where the management itself is directly communicating with the students. Such kind of a wonderful management it is actually. So by that means we were able to talk to the principals of various colleges, inside the KSR campus. So various principals, staffs and everything. So slowly we have initiated the WhatsApp talks, and later it was developed into, okay, it was going so nice, and then we have started like a book review, every Monday we started posting a book review as a WhatsApp message. So that was the first step we took. So we were encouraged on that, and so it gave us a boosting for us to do more and more. And then later on we planned every events, like for every day of the week we have such certain WhatsApp activities that includes like aptitudes, and then general discussions, technical discussions and so on. So we started as that, and it was going on like very successfully, and we were very interactive, which gave us a platform like we could interact with any department, and that was really enriching our technical skills, our communication skills and everything. So after that, I think in 2018 we have initiated the Readers Conclave. So Readers Conclave was a state level event where all the people who have reading interest were taken into a common place, and there we had wow, wonderful discussions with so many legendary people, like including in the first thing in our batch, Raja sir came, and then Nanjil Nadan sir, and then Irud Kadir sir, so many Puse Ganeshan, so many wonderful speakers were invited, and every year that was further running, and I'm really so happy that and I would also take pride that we have initiated that. And I would thank our librarian sir for his continuous support on all those activities. So even after usually these activities will be for second year, but still even after our second year, for third and fourth year we were still kept in contact, and we were given due respect on that. So I'm so really happy, and I'm feeling so great to give such an talk or to share my experience with cheerful reading community like you people. So I'd expect you people also to learn a lot from this platform and to cherish your lives into great success. And all the best for all the Readers Club friends, and thank you so much.